Hey everybody, welcome back to tutorial. Yes, my hair is still a mess. As always, I hate having curly hair. Every day is a bad hair day. Anyways, back into a number two of Pillow Talk Dream. Is it of Dreams or Pillow Talk? Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. I think I actually want to do more of just strictly the mattes today because the first look was, ooh, I really enjoyed it. Her formulas, her pigmentation is just so beautiful. So beautiful. Or should I do a smoke? As usual, I don't know what I'm going to use, but I am going to go ahead and prep my eyes. The Too Faced Shadow Insurance has met its end, so I'm going to go with this series and maybe the continuation of all my other palette focuses. I'll be using the Soft Orchid, Soft Orc Pro Longwear Paint Pot from MAC. Sorry, I'm just now getting over my allergies. But let me go and prep my eyes and we will get into this beauty of dreams. So, eyes are prepped with the paint pot, soft orca, oak gray or whatever. It's been a while since I really used this. This was like my OG go-to back in the day, besides the Urban Decay. Still my favorite. So first things first, I actually want to go in with the enhanced shade, which is this one. I'm gonna do that all over the lid because I really want to do more focus on the mattes, maybe possibly to see how well they perform on their own. But let us go ahead and go in. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury's mattes are amazing. Butter, just like butter. And just go ahead and bring it around. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush just to really diffuse the edges and go back in and just add a little bit more to just keep the color and pigment there. Just really begin to blend it. Perfect. And I think with these, I mean, these are obviously very buildable. And it's kind of, on camera, it kind of comes off like a light peach, but it's almost like I don't know how to explain it. Just enjoying it. Enjoying the moment with it. Perfect. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out and do the other eye, and then we will be right back with the continuation of this. Alright, so this is where we are with the eyes. Now going in with the enhance or smoke shade. Yep, smoke. This brown. And then we are just going to go ahead and begin the wing. And I really, really do love how intense this brown can get. Perfect. And maybe with this brown all over the lid and just smoke it out, buff out the edges, you're good to go. Perfect. And then going in with a fluffy brush, add a little bit to it and just begin to smoke it out. Just smoke it out. Here we go. And I really enjoy that these eyeshadows are buildable rather than being heavily pigmented from the get-go. So you actually have time to just work with it and just slowly build up to the intensity you want. Add it, buff it out, add it, buff it out. It's all about blending. That is really what it really comes down to with a lot of these looks. So let me go and buff this out and do it to the other side. This is where we are at. I went ahead and did a little bit of extreme black from the Mothership palette just to get a little bit of a line. And for highlight on the brow bone, I'm going to use this just to begin, or not to begin, just as a brow bone highlight. And then just really begin to tap it on. A little bit goes a long way. Yes. Absolutely stunning. And that is the rain starting. But let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. And then we will be... Actually, you know what? Let's just add a little bit right in the mid. There we go. Ooh, that's actually cute. She's cute. She's looking real cute. Perfect. Let me go and do the rest of my face, and then you guys will see the final look. And I think I'm going to use Supermodel lipstick today. Where is it? That's the Pillow Talk. I'm going to go into Supermodel, which is more of that mauve kind. I don't know if you can say that's mauve. But the Pillow Talk, I understand the craze about this. Like, this is just such a beautiful pink. I might get the lighter. Might need to stop buying makeup. We'll see how that goes. See you guys in a moment. All right, so here is the final look of tutorial number 2, quad focus. I mean, look at this. Oh, so beautiful. So I went ahead and just used the mattes, and I used the what is it? The Super Glow from the Nudegasm face palette as the brow bone highlight and as my highlighter. Self sculpt to give a little bit of a self sculpt. And for blush, I actually have 2 mix on today. I went ahead and used, oh, what is it called? Glow Up. Here's Fabulosity Radiant Blush from Becca, which is going to be this one. And I mix it with the Becca Be Light Light Medium face palette. And I used a little bit of this blush, which is more of a cool tone pink, which I do love. And yes, I do have Supermodel on the lips, which I actually really do like this lip color. But I kind of feel like I just need to amp it up a little bit, and I feel like really stuffy. Ugh, the allergies. Winter's coming. Oh, perfect. Ooh. But yes, the Enhance and the Smoke Shade with a little bit of the Extreme Black. For mascara, Dior Iconic Curl, still using that till I run out. You know what? I need some lip gloss, which I still have. I mean, look at the texture. Look at the skin. Don't look at the nose, but just look at the skin. Texture, I know. Divine Rose, Naked Rose, Opulus Gloss on top of the Supermodel. Oh. Ah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I like this. I love this color combination. So, tutorial number 2. Yeah, actually I'm digging this quad. Obviously just only 2 looks, and there's obviously only so many looks you could do with quad, but I just want to really do as much looks as I can with it, just so a lot of people could get ideas of different ways to using it. But yeah, really digging this look. As usual, go ahead and check out my makeup Instagram page, and you will be able to see the final edited look of how it looks. But yes. I mean, good old classic mattes. You can still you cannot still go wrong with just mattes on the eyelid. I mean, it's still a banger. Boop. See you guys next video.